Students, see question number 4. That is, if lines PQ and RS intersect at point D such that PRT equal 40 degree, PRT equal 40 degree and RPT equal 95 degree and angle TSQ equal 75 degree, find SQT. We can take angle 1 and this one angle 2. These are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 2. This one angle 1 and this one angle 2. See here, in this triangle we have given PQ and RS intersect at point T in such a way angle PRT equal 40 degree, angle RPT equal 95 degree and angle TSQ equal 75 degree. This is angle 1 and 2. To find angle TQS, the value of angle TQS. Solution. We take first this triangle. In triangle PRT, here angle P plus angle R plus angle this one PTR, or we can write this angle 1 equal 180 degree. We know by angle sum property all angles, sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. This can be written equation 1. And in this triangle, in triangle TSQ, angle S plus Q plus angle 2, this one STQ can be written as angle 2 equal 180 degree. This is also by ASP, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we see here both the sides, right hand side of both equation is equal, that is 180 degree, then left hand side also be equal. So angle P plus angle R plus angle 1 equal angle S plus angle Q plus angle R, angle 2. Put the value of these angles. Angle P is 95 degree, angle R is 40 degree, angle 1 is angle 1, angle S is 75 degree, angle Q is to find, and angle 2 equal angle 1, because angle 1 equal angle 2 by VOA. These are vertically opposite angles. Now we see here angle 1 cancel out. Here is 95 plus 43, this will be 135 degree, minus, you can take 75 in left hand side, this will be minus, equal angle Q. So angle Q equal, subtract here 5 minus 5 0, 13 minus 7 6, angle Q equal 0, or angle Q equal 60 degree, and angle Q written as angle TQS, or angle TQS is 60 degree. This is question number 4. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. In figure, if PQ perpendicular to PS, here is figure, this one perpendicular here, that is point P, this one PQ, and this one PS here, and PQ parallel SR, here point R, PQ parallel SR, here is point T, angle QRT 65 degree, and SQR 28 degree, SQR, now join here, this one is SQR 28 degree, here is angle X, and here is angle Y. Find the values of X and Y. This is the question. Given, first point is given in figure PQ perpendicular to PS and PQ parallel to SR, and angle QRT equal 65 degree, and angle SQR equals 28 degree. To find, next point is to find the values of X and Y. Values of X and Y. Solution. Next point is solution. How we can get value of X and Y. Since PQ and S are parallel, SR, or we can write this PQ parallel ST, that is given here. Now therefore angle PQR will equal to angle QRT. These are alternate interior angles, or this can be written as X plus this, or X plus 28 equal, this one is 65 degree. Now X equals 65 degree minus 28 degree, this will equal, subtract here 15 minus 8 7, here will be 5 minus 2 3, X will be 37 degree. Angle in triangle this. Now in triangle PQS angle P plus angle X plus angle Y equal 180 degree by angle sum property. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Put the value of angle P, that is 90 degree, because these are perpendicular to each other. 37 degree. Here Y equal 180 degree. Since PQ perpendicular to PS, therefore this angle will be 90 degree. Now add this 7, 9 plus 3, 12. 1 to 7 plus Y equal 180 degree, or Y equal 180 degree minus 1 to 7 degree. Now subtract here 0 minus 7, 10 minus 7, 3, here will be 17, 17 minus 12, 5. This will be 53 degree. This is the value of Y. The question is completed. Please note it down. Now question number 6. We will do question number 6. Question number 6 is, in figure 6.44 the side QR of triangle PQR is produced. Here is figure. This side is produced. PQR is produced to point S. Here point S. If the bisector of angle PQR bisector of angle this, and bisector of the angle PRS this, bisector of angle this meet at point T, then prove that. So we have given this one is bisector of angle PRS, this equal this, and bisector of this equal angle this. Then prove that QTR equal half angle QPR. We have given in figure side of triangle PQR, QR is produced to S, and TR and QT, the bisector of angle PRS and angle PQR respectively meet at point T. Prove that. Here is prove that. Prove that. Prove that angle QTR is equal half angle QPR. To prove. Now proof. we take angle this PQR in triangle PQR. Angle P plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ equal 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. Now multiplying by 1/2 on both sides, we get, so here angle, half angle P plus half angle PQR plus half angle PRQ. Sorry, very sorry. We will solve this by the exterior angle property. By the exterior angle property. So angle PRS is equal angle P plus angle PQR. This one is by exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to opposite sum of opposite interior angles. These are interior angle, opposite interior angle. Sum of opposite interior angles is equal and exterior angle, value of exterior angle. So now multiply by, now multiplying by 1/2 on both sides, we get here half angle PRS equal half angle P plus half angle PQR. So here, see here, half angle this one equal, this will be equal PRS, this equal this, both are half of angle PRS. So this can be written as angle TRS, or angle TRS is equal half angle P, it will be as it is P, and half angle QPR, PQR, this one is PQR, half of this is this or this, so we will use this angle, means TQR, angle TQR, because half angle PRS equal angle PRS and half angle PQR equal angle TQR. We have given this one, QT is the bisector of angle this, so this will divide angle PQR in two equal parts. So each part will be half of the whole angle. See here also PR is the bisector of angle PRS, so each part will be equal and half of the whole angle PRS. So we can write here the region. We can take this equation 1. Now see this angle in this triangle TQR, we take angle TRS. Now in triangle TQR, here you can write in triangle PQR, in this way you can write the name of angle where we use the property. Now in triangle PQR, angle TRS is equals angle TQR plus angle QTR, because in similar way, because angle TRS is the exterior angle of triangle TQR. This can be written as equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get here, see here, left hand side of both equation are equal, then right hand side will also be equal. So this one, right, angle TQR plus angle QTR is equal, right hand of side this second equation and right hand side of first equation will equal half angle P or angle TQR. Here, see here, angle TQR in both sides, this will be cancelled, and we have remain angle QTR is equals half angle P, or this can be written as half angle QPR. So hence the result, hence proved. This is the answer. The exercise is completed.